Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started. In this video, we break down the top 5 best vertical GPU mount you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation, and most importantly, actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best vertical GPU mount on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which best vertical GPU mount are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is NZXT Vertical GPU Mounting Kit. One of the best aspects of this kit is how well it showcases the GPU. The vertical mounting design allows you to prominently display your graphics card's RGB lighting and design, making it a perfect option for users who have invested in high-end, aesthetically pleasing GPUs. The bracket is well designed, providing ample space for airflow around the card, which helps maintain optimal cooling performance. The included 175mm PCIe 4.0 by 16 riser cable is a highlight of this kit. It supports the latest PCIe 4.0 standard, ensuring that your GPU operates at its full bandwidth without performance bottlenecks. This is crucial for users running high-end graphics cards in gaming rigs or for content creators who rely on powerful GPUs for rendering and other intensive tasks. Installation is relatively straightforward, but it does require some case compatibility considerations. The NZXT Vertical GPU Mounting Kit is designed to fit in cases that have at least 7 expansion slots. While it works perfectly with NZXT cases, it's compatible with other brands as well, as long as you have enough room for the vertical mount setup. From a performance standpoint, the NZXT Vertical GPU Mounting Kit functions flawlessly. The riser cable's PCIe 4.0 by 16 bandwidth ensures that there is no loss of performance, even with demanding tasks such as gaming at 4K resolution or video editing. The steel bracket holds the GPU firmly in place, reducing any sagging that can sometimes occur with horizontal mounts. Our second best vertical GPU mount, Cooler Master Vertical GPU V3. Whether you're building a high-end gaming rig or a visually stunning showcase PC, this kit will elevate both the performance and aesthetics of your build. The Cooler Master Vertical GPU Holder. Kit V3 is an excellent choice for anyone looking to showcase their GPU while maintaining top-tier performance. The sturdy steel bracket, high-quality PCIe 4.0 riser cable, and adjustable design make it one of the most versatile and durable options on the market. With the Cooler Master Kit, the card sits securely and evenly, giving your build a clean, polished look. If you have a tempered glass side panel, the vertical mount setup truly stands out, making your PC look more custom and premium. It's important to note that this kit is compatible with eATX, ATX, and MATX cases that have at least 7 PCIe slots. If your case doesn't have enough expansion slots, you won't be able to use the vertical mount. That said, for most standard cases, installation is smooth, and Cooler Master provides clear instructions. The cable is long enough to comfortably connect to your motherboard without creating excess clutter. The PCIe 4.0 support ensures that your GPU is future-proofed, meaning you can take full advantage of the latest graphics cards without any bottleneck. The modular design allows for adjustability, making it easy to align the GPU perfectly with your motherboard's PCIe slots. This flexibility is a key feature because it ensures that your GPU is installed securely and looks great, regardless of the case type or GPU model. Number 3 in our list is Lian Vertical GPU Card Holder. If aesthetics and performance are both high on your priority list, this kit is definitely worth the investment. The Lian Vertical GPU Holder Kit is a perfect choice for anyone who wants to show off their graphics card while ensuring top-tier performance and reliability. Its premium design and PCIe 4.0 compatibility make it a future-proof and visually stunning addition to any custom build. The vertical mount provided by the Lian Holder Kit is all about aesthetics, and it delivers in this department. Vertically mounting your GPU showcases its design, RGB lighting, and overall visual appeal, making it the centerpiece of your build. One of the best aspects of this kit is its versatility. Whether you have a smaller ATX build or a larger eATX setup, the adjustable design allows you to position the GPU in the optimal spot, ensuring it looks great and has enough airflow. Cooling is always a concern with vertical GPU mounts, as they can position the GPU closer to the side panel. However, with this holder's 4-slot design, there was enough clearance to allow good airflow around the card. As long as your case has decent front intake fans or a well-ventilated side panel, you shouldn't experience any overheating issues. Installing the Lian vertical GPU holder was a straightforward process. The kit is designed to fit into any case that has at least 7 PCIe slots, so it's compatible with a wide range of cases, including ATX and eATX form factors. Fourth recommendation in our side is XRIKUI Versatile Vertical GPU Mount Bracket. It's a solid investment for those looking to prevent GPU sag while giving their build a unique professional appearance. The XRIKUI graphics card bracket offers great value for PC builders who want a secure and visually striking way to mount their GPU vertically. The vertical mounting feature of the XRIKUI bracket is what sets it apart from basic GPU holders. If you're looking to display your GPU's design and RGB lighting, this mount allows you to do so effectively. The vertical orientation gives your build a custom, high-end look that really stands out, especially in cases with tempered glass side panels. The versatility in this mount is particularly helpful because it can be adjusted to different heights and positions, ensuring that it fits perfectly with your specific case and cooling setup. This flexibility is great for users who may have compact builds or larger GPUs that need precise positioning. The XRIKUI graphics card bracket is made from a durable metal material, giving it a solid feel while remaining lightweight enough not to add any unnecessary bulk to your system. The black finish is simple yet clean, making it a great fit for most modern PC builds, especially those with darker color schemes. One standout feature is the adjustable design, allowing it to fit into various case configurations. This flexibility ensures that the bracket can accommodate different GPU sizes and positions, which is a huge plus if you have a non-standard case or GPU. Last in our top 5, best vertical GPU mount, Linkup GPU Vertical Mount. While function is the primary concern with a riser cable, it's worth noting that the Linkup AVA5 looks great as well. The black design is sleek and minimalist, blending well with most modern builds. If you're mounting your GPU vertically in a case with a tempered glass side panel, this cable won't detract from the overall aesthetic of your build. A major concern with riser cables is signal loss or interference, especially at high speeds like PCIe 5.0. However, the Linkup AVA5 maintains excellent signal integrity. I didn't experience any performance drops or instability issues, even when running benchmarks or high-performance games. The Linkup AVA5 is designed with forward and backward compatibility in mind. It supports PCIe 5.0 devices, but also works seamlessly with PCIe 4.0 and older standards. This versatility ensures that even if you're not currently using a PCIe 5.0 GPU or motherboard, the cable will work flawlessly in your current build and be ready for future upgrades. It's also compatible with WRX 80 and WRX 90E motherboards, which are typically used in workstation builds, making this riser cable a great choice for professionals who need extreme bandwidth for tasks like 3D rendering, video editing, or data processing. In conclusion, the Linkup AVA 5 PCIe 5.0 riser cable is a premium choice for those looking to vertically mount their GPU without compromising on performance.